beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your January love and work forecast for Geminis. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Gemini, this reading is for you. If you know a Gemini, you can cross watch it, friends. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Vents Tarot, because if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading at the end of every month. One random person will be selected for the free readings by random name selector. And also, friends, join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. So let's just this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So let's see, friends, what is going to happen. What is the theme of January for Gemini? Oops. Let me just pick that card. Ooh. Gemini's transformation, death, Five of Wands. Let me just pick that card. So the card that flew out is the Queen of Cups. Wow, January is an emotional month for you, friends. Yes, there is a lot of emotions, Gemini, for you in this month. You may be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. I feel you are trying to understand yourself emotionally or what you really want in life in January, because this is the start of the new year. So you are like trying to understand why things happen, certain things happened. You may also be changing. A lot of changes are going to happen in January. Geminis, you are ending a past situation, or you are ready for change in change in your life. Yes, you are definitely going to move out of some situation or move ahead in life. Endings and a new start is happening. Five of Wands. There is a lot of some, I think you have a little bit of confusion in January between your heart and mind, to listen to your heart or listen to your mind. So you may feel a bit confused, and because of this you may feel like should you take some relationships would also be confusing, conflicts happening. So should you stay or move on? Should you stay in that career or move on? What you do? So some confusion is there, but I think you will be able to move out of it. And this is an important month. Big changes are going to happen for you, friends. So get ready, Geminis. Let's see your love life, Geminis. Their love life in January. Ooh, you could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Ace of Wands, Temperance. January love life for Geminis. The Lovers, the Two of Pentacles. Yeah, Seven of Cups, confusions. Three of Pentacles. The Empress, the Ten of Swords. Oh dear God. Alright, this is a mixed month for you, Geminis. Get ready. You start the month, with feeling very positive about your love life, or someone is very excited. Someone may be coming into your life, Geminis, or a restart is there with a lover or with a soulmate, So this is like slowly things are getting back on track in your love life. You are feeling attracted, you are feeling excited. Someone may be trying to message you, or they may have already done so in the past few days. So you are excited that yes, things will now finally work in your life. You feel balanced, you feel happy in the first week of January. There is excitement, there is passion. Some of you Geminis, sorry friends, are focusing on your work in the first week of Gemini. So you feel happy, you feel balanced, you feel excited. In the second week of January, friends, you will have some choices in love. Suddenly you will feel a bit confused. Also, you will be unsure whether to stay with this person from your past or with your current lover, or should you move on. Some confusions are there in your love life. It is like someone is not choosing you, someone is not giving you time in the second week, and this may make you upset. Like your person is busy and you are upset about it. Like, hey, why are you busy? Why are you not giving me time? So get ready for it, Geminis. I do see you might be very busy, and other person might not like it. That, hey, why, they might be like, I want your time. I need you. Can't you be free? So you won't like that, Gemini. So you might be like, what am I supposed to do? Also, if you are single, you may be attracting someone new, but in the second week, you may feel like this person is very similar to the past person. your past lover, husband, wife, this person is similar, or they or your someone from the past is also coming. So there is a lot of energy. Some confusions are happening in the second week. I feel it is because you're busy, but I also feel it is because there are two people, or something from the past is still affecting your love life. In this mid of January, some things. You may want to end a connection and move out of it, but the other person is like, no, I want to stay, let's work this out. But you are like, but see, you are choosing yourself, Geminis. You are choosing yourself. You may be married to this person, or you may be carrying their child, you have children with them, or maybe they are married. But what the thing is that you want some change in this connection. Like, you want this person to be understanding, to be mature, or to give you commitment. But this person is like, no, we'll do this in the future, but stay with me. So then, Geminis, you might say like, bye bye, because you know what you want, Geminis. And if this person is not giving you that, you might say bye bye, but they won't let you go also. I feel this person is your twin flame. They feel very addicted to you in the last week of January. You both feel very addicted to each other. There is a lot of sexual chemistry, a lot of passions, high passions, and you feel like this person doesn't value you, or they just keep, they don't show their heart to you. I think they will try to show their heart to you in the last week of January, but you may find a new lover. I think you're dealing with a soulmate and a twin flame in the January, and it might confuse you a little, but I feel you will ultimately choose the soulmate, because that is what you want: peace and quiet and happiness and commitment. Because your twin flame, I don't see them committing to you, or they just keep coming in and going out. So you might feel like, I want to change that. Let me see the advice for you, because that seems important. And also, friends, let's see, be looking at your work and career also. Advice for Geminis. Base chakra: ego issues, confusions, power struggles. Someone is jealous, someone is envious also. You will feel like they are not valuing you. You will feel like they are coming in and out of your life. You want someone who is stable, someone mature, transformations. Friends, twice the death card has appeared. Geminis, please be careful in January. Please save this video and stay careful. Let's clarify, what is this transformation? Where is this transformation happening? Your relationships are going through a lot of spiritual awakening. You are going through a lot of spiritual changes in your love life and through your love life, friends. Yes, you are going to, choose people who are good for you creatively, who are good for you, positive people. I think right now, or you will find two people this month. One is egoistic, one is positive. So you will have to decide which one to choose. You might have to leave your egoistic people and choose something new. Movement, choices, decisions. Yes, friends, a lot of choices are coming. Get ready, because also something needs to get out of life in your love life, and maybe someone needs to change their behavior. Movement, choices, decisions. Good things are coming your way. Let's see your work and career, Gemini. The Sun and the Ten of Wands. Wow, you are working very hard. You are determined to work hard. The Chariot and the Strength. Wow, this is beautiful. I feel, this month you will be working very hard. Why? Because sun is shining. There is success in your work. You have you are enjoying your work. There is success, there is fame, there is respect, there is also recognition, awards. Even if you are a student, people will recognize you, your talents, your wisdom. But I see that, there is a lot of work, there is a lot of stress about work. Workload is high, so you will have to keep that in balance. I see you will be traveling a lot also this month, a lot of travel, or you are making plans to travel in the future. So a lot of traveling, a lot of to and fro is happening. I also see that some of you are going to Some of you are becoming, you will have the strength to achieve all this. You have a lot of work deadlines, but you are very strong, so you will be able to manage many things. Maybe you are doing two jobs, or two, what you say, you are handling two jobs or two works, two projects, so you will be able to handle it because you have a lot of physical strength. I also see you are working to expand your career. Some of you want to change where you live. Some of you will be changing where you work, your offices. Some of you will be traveling, or getting into jobs which require traveling. So you are changing things, and you will enjoy your work and career. So that's good. Just you need to balance your workload. You are very busy this month. Let's see some advice for your work life, Gemini. Wow, foundations and achievements. This is very interesting. Four of Wands. I do see friend success coming your way. I see some mergers or business partnerships coming your way. I also see if your family is not supporting you, you will find more support, or you will make your family, your people proud. This is the energy. Also, if you are a student, friends, keep working. You will get success in your exam, so keep working. You will make people proud. Choose wisely. Again, friends, I do see you moving out, like you want to change your job, your career, so choose wisely. Patience. Yeah, patience is needed, friends. You are very busy. If you don't be patient, then things can go, you know stay calm, stay patient. Anything else? Awareness. Wow. I do feel, friends, like you will be able to manifest things in your life this month. Anything you desire, it will happen, especially in your work, career, and finances. You are very lucky. So go for it, friends. Manifest and pray, and you will achieve it. You will get it. Let's see some extra cards. Gemini. Okay. All right, let's see. Mice, discord among friends or family. Yeah, there is a difference, arguments happening in January. It was happening last month also for you, Geminis. Or there may be some confusion in your head and heart and mind. Success is coming, star. Was some secret admirer. Someone loves you, friends. I think you are not expecting a lover, secret lover coming your way. So you are expecting someone else, but someone new is coming. Lion, take time. It's time to act. Yes. And women, relationships with a woman. Let's see what else. Sun, happiness and well-being. Yes, success, happiness is coming your way, friends. So get ready. October is important for some of you. Maybe you are dealing with someone born in October. January. Oh, friends, January is important for you. And we are doing the January reading. So get ready. Key, successful outcomes to your problem. Ram, a stubborn, aggressive person. Yeah, someone is behaving very aggressively and stupidly, but I think it will resolve. Seahorse, family is important. You might be planning to move out of your family home or situation, or maybe you want your family is pressurizing you for marriage or for some job or career, like don't do that, do this. You will change that in January. Quill, return back to basics. Shark, take care or there will be a loss of material wealth. Yeah, take care of your finances, friends. Ladder, climbing towards success. You're moving towards success. And mountain, major challenge to overcome. I think you're very busy this week. This month there is a lot happening, friends. So take care, stay patient, and a very happy January. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday. Bye for now.